Hi friends, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to say about the tech job with Axis Bank. Earlier we have seen what it is with Manipal, and now we are going to see how it is with NIIT. They are doing the program both with Manipal and NIIT. I will provide this link on the description. Please make use of it. Just click it. The second thing. Yes, FinTech Professional Program. It is an NIIT Digital Banking Academy announcements a program that builds you a career as a successful fintech professional with an assured job. Deputy Manager IT with CTC of 8 lakhs. It's an assured job as a Deputy Manager. It's a 19 weeks virtual immense program. You will be mentored from the industry experts. Provisional offer letter will be issued by Axis Bank on admission and successful completion of the program. This is a post successful completion of the program. You will be placed on the four roles, that is full stack developer, BA, product owner, infra and DevOps, quality assurance. These are the four kind of jobs you're going to perform, and the program fee is 2.5 lakhs per annum plus GST. The loan you can avail from Axis Bank, and EMI will be starting after you are earning the salary. And this is what you will need to apply. If you want to apply, you need to click here apply now. Let's see, before that, let's see the other details. Start your career with Axis Bank. Assured job as a deputy manager. Start at 2 level above the entry level. Yes, because usually the entry level will be officer, assistant manager and deputy manager for any freshers, but you are joining 2 steps ahead by the program. Just 4 months of program, you are going 2 steps ahead is really fantastic. It is earning higher than the average salary of software engineers. 5 lakhs per annum is the average salary of software engineers, but here you are start your career with salary of 8 lakhs per annum. Hands-on immense training. Get day one ready with immense learning experience from leading mentors. Yeah, definitely it is true, because what we study in college is different. What we doing at the job is really different. But here you are going to study only what is required for your job. So it will be, you can work with more confident. After the college, if you are getting into job, you may be in dilemma. You may be definitely having a little bit of tension of how the job is going to be. But here it's not like that. You are going to learn of what is in real needed. The course highlights avail loan from Axis, get what reviewed by mentor from the industry. Yes, always being the mentor with you is it's a great thing. Go through hands-on experimental learning with broader inverter. Great start as a deputy manager. We have seen practical experience, which I have said. Training by NIIT mentors, proven track building day one, ready IT professionals. Great salary and perks. Yeah, this is what they're saying. You are joining. What is your career progression? Okay, I have joined as a deputy manager, but how will my future growth? Yeah, this is officer, assistant manager, deputy manager. As a officer, you should be joined as an officer only as a fresher. But here, by just a 4 months of program, you are joining as a deputy manager, and your next step will be manager. And this is only the hierarchy, maximum hierarchy. Senior manager, assistant vice president, deputy vice president, senior vice president, and presidents, and that's it. It's AMD. Yes, it's fantastic. You see yourself where you join. The eligibility is, the batches should be 2018, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, the batch starts from 2018 here. For NIT it is 2018. Age criteria is 20 to 30 years. But here see the difference. For a Manipal it shows only BE, but here you see it's BSc, BCA, MCA, BE. Even the BScs and BCA having an opportunity here is fantastic. Don't miss it. The graduates with minimum 60% marks is enough. It with Manipal it shows only BE and MCA, but here the UG have been given an option. It's definitely a fantastic thing. Don't miss it. Future ready in 3 steps. The program consists of simple 3-step selection process. After the it's a 3-step selection. It is an application form you have been providing, online assessment by NIIT interview and assessment interview. That's it. The course payment. This is the 3 things involved in it. Program overview. Spend 60% of the time on coding or code related activities since the program is highly hands-on based. Follow the structured set of activities like daily visual stand-ups, self-learning with practices, context getting mentor, connect with virtual live sessions. It's an virtual live sessions, tough assignments and group reviews and bound assignments. Solve tough problems, complete assessments and submit for review, and you will be reviewed on daily basis and the guidance will be provided to you. 13 weeks of immense program experience, 6 weeks of product development. 6 weeks you will be in product development. There will be little differences between the Axis with Manipal and Axis with NIIT. 3.5 months program delivered by top mentors of NIIT. The curriculum is immense and the learners will perform tasks of similar complexities as they would face in Axis Bank, as it will be a real-time job. It is about the program. The foundation is for 3 weeks. That is program using Java on data structures, Linux fundamentals, programming with Kotlins. Microsoft backend 6 weeks. Data persistence using SQL and NoSQL data stores, building RESTful microservices using the Spring Stack, implementing DevOps and containerization, cloud deployment and migration. It is for 6 weeks. On modern frontends, building responsive interactive web pages using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap and JavaScript, building single page application using React, application state management with Redux, integrated and refactors. Product engineering, build release a version of product in small teams, 6 weeks. Yeah, the training it will be totally different. It will be based on the curriculum of the NIIT, and the NIIT and Manipal will be totally on their own way, so it could be different. Customized program. See, where do I reach out for any doubts or clarification? In case of any concerns, if you have any doubts, you can reach to this contact number 1800200896 between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. or drop a mail to info@niit.com regarding this course. Who should I join this course? Graduates, we have seen this already. What is the selection process? We have seen it already. Online assessment test and the NIIT interview, and after that the Axis Bank interview is the schedule. What is the job role? We have seen it. Will be Mumbai or Bangalore location. As these are the four options. Where will the training be happen? The training will be virtual. You can be at home and attend it virtual using various online collaborative platforms. Mentor will guide through the program, and the entire learners will communicate within themselves using the Slack channels. What are the prerequisites? Eligible candidates should possess good command over the English language and also have the good coding skills. These two are the importance they have been highlighting to you. Will I receive any certificate from the program? Yes, you will receive a certificate postgraduate program in full stack software engineer fintech certificate from NIIT. Of course, the NIIT is providing various certifications at various costs, but here it is something very good. You will be receiving the certificate as well from NIIT, which will be valid for your future progress, your growth, and you will be getting the job as well. It's fantastic. Will I get who will receive an offer letter? Axis Bank or NIIT? It's the Axis Bank will be receiving offer letter. Total fee program we have seen 2.5 lakhs. What is the program fee covers? It's an it is then only the training cost. When do I make a payment? Once you have been selected, after that only you should pay 15,000 for the admission confirmation, and then you can manage to arrange. The time will be provided for you to arrange the remaining amount. The documents, PAN card, birth certificates, driving licenses, academic certificates, relieving letter from your past employer. Will NIT refund my fee if I exist in between? Definitely they will not refund your money. Only the 15,000 your admission fee will be refunded. What is the role of NIT in this program? It is an initiative of Axis Bank with the NIT Banking Academy. Yes, it is their initiative of their. It's a collaboration between Axis Bank and NIT. Can I enroll the program while doing my final year of graduation? If even the final year graduates can apply, but the program details you should complete at the time of training. Before the training starts, you should complete. You should your course should be completed. Will I get in internship? No, no, there is not be internship. Can I enroll the program while doing job? Definitely, it's not. You have to be full time with the those who work cannot apply. If you want to, once you are selected, at least you need to resign your job. Can I choose my post in location? No, it is the decision of the banks. Okay, when does the EMI starts? Important questions. Only after joining, after 6 months. So you will be received 6 months salary from Axis Bank. After that only the EMI starts with 13% ROI. What is the syllabus of online assessment? The online assessment will check your capabilities, English comprehension, logical ability, quantitative ability, spoken English, IT and coding skills. These are the things you will be assessed. That's it, friends. It's a fantastic opportunity. Of course, there's small differences between the NIT and Manipal. Here, you will be welcomed from even the UG graduates, BCA, BScs can be welcomed, and just click apply here. See, here you have to enter your details, and then you have to enter your mark sheet, your entire details you have to enter. I will provide this link in the description. Please make use of it. Thank you.